Hey guys, I'm gonna show you how to do some, exciting dribbles. Well, it goes like this, like that, and then you shoot the ball. Well, this will cross your player to make him fall or something, and so make sure you do that for a really long time until you do it faster and faster and faster. And then once you do that, you can move your legs 1, 2, 3, and then go again, and then go again. See, and just keep doing that until you get until you mastered it. And then once you do the spin move, you have to, when you spin it, make sure you throw your ball like that. See, boom, and then you're gonna get it back, and then you're gonna go for it. And then okay, so start from the beginning. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and go for it. Alright, so this will make your player fall or something, or just do an insane crossover where everyone could get excited. So it goes like that. Make sure you have the ball like that. You throw it, get it back, or you could do anything you want right there and just shoot it. And make sure it's like a layup trick, so you can't do like anything else. So let's try it out.